Let's explore basic routing using the browser router in React. This setup enables navigation between different pages within your application. React Router facilitates client-side routing in React applications, enhancing user experience by creating single-page applications. Before setting up routing, you need to install the React Router DOM package. Use the following command in your terminal: npm install React Router DOM. This command adds React Router DOM to your project's dependencies. To begin, import the browser router component from the React Router DOM package. Then, wrap your entire application within the browser router component. This enables the routing functionality for all components within your application. This is how you can do it in code. Import browser router from React Router DOM. Inside the app function, return the browser router tag, and put all of your app components inside this tag. Now, create the basic routes for your application. Import the routes and route components from React Router DOM. Use the routes component to wrap individual route components. Define each route with a path and an element. The path specifies the URL, and the element specifies the component to render for that URL. For example, route with path / and element home, route with path / about, and element about, and route with path / contact, and element contact. These are wrapped inside routes tag. For navigation, use the link component from React Router DOM instead of the traditional a tag. The link components to prop specifies the route to navigate to. This approach prevents full page reloads, providing a smoother user experience. To navigate, use link tag inside a nav tag. First link tag has to equals /, second link tag has to equals /about, and third link tag has to equals /contact. Here's the complete structure of your app with browser router, navigation links, and defined routes. The browser router wraps the entire app. Navigation links are created using the link component. Routes are defined using the route component within the routes component. This setup enables seamless navigation between different sections of your application. Here's how the complete app structure looks like. Inside the app function, return the browser router tag. Inside this tag, create a nav tag. Inside the nav tag, create the link tags. The first link tag has to equals /, second link tag has to equals /about. After the nav tag, create routes tag. Inside the routes tag, create the route tags. The first route tag has path equals / and the element home. The second route tag has path equals /about and the element about. You can also use route parameters to create dynamic routes. To access route parameters, use the useparams hook from React Router DOM. Define a route with a parameter using a colon. For example, path /user /:ID. In the component, call useparams to retrieve the parameters. Now you can use that parameter to get the user ID. The code looks like this. Inside the route tag, create a route with path equals /user /ID and the element user. Inside the user function, create a params variable using useparams. Return a heading tag with user ID and the ID. Here are some key benefits of using React Router. It creates a single-page application with no page reloads, and it provides clean URLs that match your components. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.